Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to discuss cartilage and its stuff in a brief video. So this lecture is all about cartilage, and we will describe it briefly, and the more you need to study in the book. So cartilage, if we talk about cartilage, so cartilage is a resilient and a smooth elastic tissue. Resilient means it have the capability to bear weight and have the strength to withstand against the pressure, and that's why we can call it resilient and smooth elastic tissue, where there is elasticity as well, and it's also can withstand against the force, any kind of force. So that's why it's called resilient. It's a rubber-like fading, like rubber, so rubber-like fading, and that covers and protects the end of long bones at joints and nerves. So let's talk about where cartilage is found in our body. So cartilage is basically found in the rib cage, in the ear, and the nose, in the bronchial tubes, and the intervertebral discs as well, and also in the trachea. So that's all about the cartilage basically. And now we will go to the types of cartilage. Basically there are three types of cartilages: hyaline, elastic, and fibrous cartilage. Types of cartilage are basically hyaline. Hyaline means glass-like. That's why hyaline means glass-like. So that's why it's known as hyaline, and glass-like. And elastic cartilage we have, and fibrous. So this is a 1, 2, and 3. Third part is fibrous cartilage. So these are three types. Let's move on. And other parts we're going to talk about is hyaline cartilage. Hyaline means glass-like, as I wrote here, that hyaline means glass-like. Basically, you just need to know that glass-like, that is hyaline. In other words, translucent and gray in color, right? Have collagen, translucent, gray in color. Also have collagen fiber proteins. You know about collagen fiber proteins, and found in many joint surfaces, like the regions where two bones meet, we call it joints. So at that joint surfaces you will find cartilage. And location, where is hyaline cartilage found? So if you talk about ribs, found in ribs, larynx, nose, and your trachea. So now come to the second part, that is elastic cartilage. So elastic cartilage is yellowish in color, yellowish fiber cartilage, and broad strength, elasticity to certain body parts. Broad strength and elasticity. And generally, all cartilages provide strength and elasticity to various body parts and your body at different spots in the body. Right, so we have two basic types of cartilages in the larynx, and these are, one is cuneiform and the other one is cuniculate. So you just need to remember that these are two cuniculate and cuneiform. These are two basic cartilages and the larynx. So yeah, it's all about two. And the third one, we're talking about the fibrous cartilage now. Fibrous cartilage. So this is the third type of cartilage. It's tough and a strong tissue, right? And it's like other cartilages, it's also provides strength in, mechanical type of strength to the whole, to different regions of the body where they are present. So, how cartilages, gram substance and chondrocytes, right? And location, where they're found. So they are found in the between the intervertebral discs, ligaments and tendons insertions, where ligaments and tendons are inserted in various spots inside your body. So they are found at that spots, fibrous cartilages. So that's all about today's video. Hope you guys like it. Let's summarize it quickly. Now, just a quick review again. So cartilage is a resilient and smooth elastic tissue, rubber-like fading. It's also, you can say that that covers and protects the ends of long bones, joints, and nerves. And it's found in rib cage, ear, nose, bronchial tubes, intervertebral discs, and trachea. Types of cartilages: hyaline, number 1. Number 2, elastic. Number 3, fibrous cartilage. Let's go. Hyaline cartilage is like, glass-like. We can also call it hyaline glass-like. Hyaline glass-like, translucent and gray in color. Have collagen fiber proteins, and found in many joint surfaces, on many joint surfaces, and joints. So locations: found in ribs, larynx, so white box, nose, and trachea. These are the 4 locations where you will find hyaline cartilage, right? Let's go to the second part. Elastic cartilage. Elastic cartilage is yellowish fiber cartilage provides strength, elasticity to certain body parts. And next we have two types of cartilages, cuneiform and corniculate. Actually, it's corniculate, right? So corniculate, yeah, corniculate, and cuneiform. The third type is fibrous cartilage, and it's tough and strong tissue. Have cartilage around substance in chondrocytes location between anterovertebral discs, right? Ligaments and tendons, incision. That's all about cartilage. I hope you guys like this video, and for further details you have to look it in your book, histology especially. So like my video if you like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. That's for today.